In this video, I'll show you just how easy it is to run a PowerShell script using PowerScripts. Basically, the steps are to search for the object that you want to run the script against, select the script from a list, add parameters if there are any required, and then push the execute button. So let's say you have a ticket that comes in and some end user wants to know all the members of a group. So it's the HR feedback group. So I'll just type in some little thing that matches I know exists in the object that I'm trying to find. So I typed in feedback and I got a couple of things that came up here, but what I was specifically looking for was this group, the HR employee feedback group. So double click on that object, and now what comes up is a list of scripts that I'm authorized to run. So next you pick the script from the drop-down list here. So let's say I want to find out who the group members are. This particular script takes one parameter, which is the group ID, and you see that that's already filled in, so I don't even have to do anything there because I selected the group first. I click the execute button, and now the script is running in the background. So it gives you little updates. It tells you it's starting to get the list. Now it says click here to download the get group members CSV file, so I click on that. My computer's prompting me, where do I want to save it? I go ahead and save that. Now I'll click on the list here so I can open the document up. And it opens up in numbers, and you can see here's a list of all the members, their user principal name, where they're licensed, what city, all that stuff. Super simple. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to code anything, you just have to search for an object, select a script from the list, add some parameters, and run. Now let's say you close that window and for some reason you wanted to go back to it. You could run it again, or you could just go over to your audit log, and the audit log shows you all the different scripts that you ran recently, the last 7 days of which. And for any one of these things, you can just double click on it and you'll get the results again. So you notice that it keeps a record of what you ran, when you ran it, what parameters you provided it, and what the response is. So that makes it super easy to go back and get information after the fact. You don't even have to wait for a script to finish.